I'm back here in Mactan Shrine, and I've noticed there's a lot of souvenir vendors now here in the little shop that they have intended here in Mactan Shrine. So you can see starts to fill up. All sorts of souvenir, and they will be staying until the end of April, because April 27 is the Battle of Mactan reenactment. So these are the sort of souvenir you can buy here. Magnets. Shell necklaces. Matanaw ko, ma'am. Look at all our native shell necklaces made of shells. Bracelets. So you can find older wares here until the end of April. And look at these wallets enclosed in shells, magnets, all depicting as a souvenir of your trip here in Cebu, Philippines, or Mactan, Cebu, Philippines. So you got native bags and little guitars.
Nagkuhan pa sila.
All these shops can be found here in Mactan, Cebu, Mactan Shrine, Cebu. I'm hoping to find Michelle here, the one that gave us a boat tour last time, to have a look inside that fiberglass boat. Hopefully I could be able to this time. Oh, look at this. It's a frog. It's a proper frog. Baki good niya siya, ma'am?
Ay.
And you get shell bags. Baki good niya siya?
Oh, tinood gini siya nga baki. Pero ang mata ray dili ani niya tinood na. Ano siya baki gini.
Nakuha na lang siya, no?
Serve lang na siya ma'am.
So it's a real frog bag. It's now become leather. It's only the eyes, not the real one. Sige lang sa tanaw sa kumang, ha. So you got all like the wind chimes, tiny ones that you can just pack in your suitcase. And you got tissue holders. Pila sa ning inani, sir?
700 no.
So this one's 700 pesos. So you can buy all sorts of souvenirs here. This is made of shell. And bangles made of shell, clothes, earrings made of shell, little guitars.
ko ni diplok. Dako pa man ko ni diplok.
Earrings, K-rings, slippers. Tigpila ni ina ni mga Rios. Yeah, pila niya?
200.
200.
Kani ba?
Ayaw, ay, kasya. Lagi ka diya. Ayaw, baka makasya. Mahal mo na diya. Good lang. Oh, jadi baik mana panggil po.
Look at all the lovely magnets to make it easier for you to carry. And they also got this handmade boats. That's also like a popular thing that you can buy around Mactan. I think the boat lit up because got electric wires on it. Musiga din yung boat, kuya?
Oh, kanang dako.
Ang dako ra, only the big one will lit up. Pila sa na, kuya?
4,000 ang musiga, ma'am.
4,000 for the one that lights up. So you can see all the different souvenirs of your choice. Just a reminder of your trip here in Cebu. And you got here the inlaid shell inlaid magnets. Then you got the hats. So you can find all these souvenir items here in Mactan Shrine. You can see there the Lapu-Lapu statue. So they'll be staying here until the end of April after the Battle of Mactan reenactment. So there will be more coming, I think, for the Christmas season. The tinalak bags.
Eh, ito to? Ayaw mo yan? Pagbagan.
Hoy, binili mo bariyada.
And for office.
Ay, di bawal. Yung malaki, 150. Ito,
We got car openers. Pila ni ani madam?
15.
si Linlin. Paita. Fight.
That's 20 pesos. So it range from 20 pesos to 50.
Dito sa bili para marami yan.
So you have different choices of designs for your magnets here. There's a lot of them selling different items. Like this shell wind chimes. Pila ni, sir? 200. So you see, this is quite popular here. Although there's constant, there's always outside the Mactan Shrine, there's always souvenir shops selling everything. You see, the foreigners are giving sweets A foreigners giving sweets to the children. You got guitars, bags, all sorts. So this is like the nighttime market. So look at this. I've never seen this. Wind chimes, bathroom decorations. Beads and shells.
Bot, halika na, bot. Picture na tayo dito.
T-shirts, of course. So I was just informed that each tent is actually renting to the city government here for 8,000 pesos per month. So that's why they open until Madam, unsa mang oras sa mga bli? Di manira.
Depende pa panahon sa mag-iwan sa'yo.
So they open here 8 o'clock until even 10 o'clock at night just to get the rent. For you can see each tent is 8,000 pesos. But I believe that since Mactan Shrine is a destination for all tourists, locals, and international, I reckon they can just get it. Because how come a lot of them is requesting the government for a space? That's why they're putting up more space. So the tourists should always stop here to get the souvenirs to remind them of their trip here in Mactan, Cebu.